Good morning everyone, today we're looking at another Invicta Pro Diver watch review. It seems that all this brand makes is Invicta Pro, Pro Divers. So yeah, we're going to look at another one of these today. The watch I've gotten today is the Rolex Air King. Feel free to check that out on my channel if you get a chance. So let's get around to it, shall we? So the Invicta standard box is that simple yellow theme with that embossed Invicta and their strapline on the bottom half of the box, with a simple sort of a sunray style effect on the top, and just a simple yellow folding lid with lots and lots of black detailing going with it. So here we go, let's have a little look inside. Craftsmanship to the box seems very nice, with a decent cushion inside. Let's put this away now so we can have a look at the watch. So here we go guys, this is the Invicta Pro Diver 9094. So just a little bit about the watch. We've got a 40mm case diameter with a 40mm case thickness. Watch weighs about 160 grams, so it's going to weigh just a little bit more than the one of the Rolex replicas that you might be able to see on my channel. Again, check out a review of those, funny enough, on my channel. Watch itself retails at just over £100, but you might be able to get this online elsewhere. I got it from Amazon personally. You might be able to get it online for a different price. So looking at the face here, we've got a sunray style blue or purpley blue dial. I have done an Invicta sort of Smurf review before, but this one's actually a bit more distinctive blue with a purple dial. So yeah, looking at the face here, we've got the increment style system with a smaller increment system compared to, say, Rolex, with a Cyclops eye date dial, and again operating on an automatic movement. Fully luminous hands as well, with a second hand with that Invicta wingspan on the bottom of the second hand. Inside the face, we've got a plain matte mirror, well, like a lined stainless steel finish inside there. Looking at the bezel, we've got like a sort of a slightly different shaped bezel to other watches. They would have like a serrated finish. This one's got a bit more of a, say, of a less serrates to it, more of a sort of indented style feel to it. A nice clicking movement to the actual Invicta bezel, which is nice to see. Come around to the casing. Again, you've got a full mirror stainless style finish with that Invicta print in the side there. Some Invicta watches have this, some don't. I'm not sure what the relationship is between having it and not having it. So, looking at the crown. So this watch operates on an automatic movement, as you can see from that gliding hand. We've got a slightly cheap automatic movement to the actual wind-up function of the crown. Take it in and out to first position, see what the date dial functions like. Yeah, a nice movement to that as well, and a nice firm second position click as well. But the hands do seem to move quite a bit around the face when you move that crown, which is a sign of a cheap crown. But it doesn't matter, it still feels like an element of quality there, which is nice. So let's screw this back in place. Come around to the back. We've got a full transparent look at that Invicta stainless steel automatic skeleton going on here, with that stainless steel like indented back plate here as well, with full prints as well. Waterproof to 200 meters as well. We can probably check that on the back, but that's what it says on the face. Yeah, 200 meters on that left side there. You might be able to see it. 200 meters. Come down to the strap, you've got an oyster style strap, so following the inspiration from an oyster Rolex Perpetual, with that sort of two-tone style finish on the strap. So you've got a mirror finish in the middle and a line finish on the outside parts of the links. The links themselves are adjustable by little tiny screws on the sides, and the strap is removed by little sort of punching pin, well, like double-ended pins inside there. Coming down to the clasp, You've got a double fold over clasp, 20mm strap to fitting into that with a safety buckle on top as well. Let's have a look with it on. There we go. So there we go guys, that is the Invicta Pro Diver 9094.